Hey guys, Airsoft the Corner again, back with another video, and this video is another classic from the Vault video on Mount Doom. This is called the Battle of Cullman County, hosted by the old Beserker Tactical Group. They used to run around Mount Doom with us back in the day. This event was basically the National Guard versus the Infected. Infected were in black uniforms, and the National Guard were in CP tan camo uniforms, any kind of woodland camo really. But it was a fun event, and Kobe, those guys did a really good job, and I hope that they come back one day to Doomsday host some events. So I hope you all enjoyed this classic battle in Mount Doom. This was back when me, Eugene, and Amber were still on the fence of joining Veritas. You had to go through like a 6-month process to get in, but it eventually all worked out. We all got into Veritas. We are all currently in it now. It's just we're all a travel team. We go to random fields and play with our teammates. So hope you all enjoy this. Since this game mode is just about to start, the whole point of this event was to basically fend off the infected from controlling certain nuclear sites. If I can remember that correctly, if they get a nuclear site active, we have to go in and basically destroy it. Kind of like objective hunting really. If they activate objective, we have to go down there and destroy it. That's basically the whole point. Yeah. And before I get a lot of hate comments towards binary reflections on my gun, apparently back then binary was still allowed in Mount Doom until eventually it was said it wasn't allowed anymore. So yeah, it was a good flexion to use at the time. It was just an AEG, not like really done any real damage.
Right through here. It's free. Alright, watch out, please. To your right. Look to your right. That way. They're on that ridge line up there.
Okay.
Keep moving up. So we just took out this pocket right up through here. You done down there? We're all on there. Sorry, we're trying to get a palm. We can get them on.
They're like right behind the tree line.
Yeah, you're right. Just make sure that we're not going to bunch up. Yeah.
Yeah, they're shooting by 11.
Straight ahead.
Yeah. Hey, they're in this barrier in front of me on 12. That was on my left. Yeah, left side. On top of the hill. Oh, here, got him. On the right. Hey, on line 3.
Alright, they push back some. Alright, they're
Yeah.
back on the road. The ones to the extreme
I did not see him.
They're on my 3. They just came on the hill and went back down.
Line right up here. Probably about 50 yards out.
Hey, they're on the low road on my 3. There's like 5 of them coming up the hill and going back.
Maybe 30 to 50 yards. You got you? barely grabbed me, but it got me. Yeah, it happens. I don't even see him. It's really neat to see it.
I see 1, 2, 3. There's 4 moving down this way.
4?
Hey, there's 4 of them on the right side. I saw them. It's hard to see through the trees, but they're there.
Where's the best way to get down?
Hey, they're shooting on mine too.
I wasn't expecting it.
Yeah, flashbangs are legal. Hey, they're shooting down about, see where this hill's at?
Yeah.
A little bit more on my 11.
Oh, I see that guy with the orange hat. Yeah,
yeah, there's like 3 of them over there. You can't really see it, but they're there.
I did see it. I shot at him.
Yeah, just stay down.
Hey, y'all take the high road. I'm gonna take the low road and try to draw this. Alright, start firing this guy. We're gonna make our way up. Nope,
Oh, hit. Hit.
Do I have to stay where I'm at? Do we go down or do we? Yeah, I think we need a medic, so.
Hey, we walked back to spawner for hit.
Medic! Yeah.
I'm not here.
Medic!
Hit.
Hey, use your palm. I couldn't even see him. I need my fucking glasses.
Medic on low road, please.
You gotta touch his routine so you can survive us. All over here, all over here.
You see this? Can you reach it on long range?
Need a medic up the hill.
Yeah.
My first time playing, so I'm not that great.
Oh. There's like a little orange hat peeking out from the tree.
I saw him and I tried to rush him earlier. Yeah, I see him. Wait, there's a guy down there? I did not know there was a guy down there. Yeah, he's looking for you, Anthony.
Hey, we're still stuck at the guard tower. There's like 4 of them behind the ridge. I can't really see them, but they're there. Off the low road.
I need a medic. Close out. Armor's off.
Hey, lay down and crawl towards us. Can you crawl through down? I don't know. We can't come to you, we'll get killed. Just go back to respawn. Hold your hands up and just walk back to respawn.
He's there.
I'm here. I'm done. Hey guys. You wanna go on the top side? Yeah, let's go on the top side.
Here. Oh, it's outside.
Oh, damn,
Respawn's all the way back there where we first started.
Did you see him on top of the high road? I saw 2.
Check. Where?
They're on top of the high road. There's 2 of them moving down.
What's going on, guys? Where are they at? Okay, we need to. We can't just sit here. We need to like span out. We're too close together.
Yeah,
Where's that rift?
ATVs, that's the thing.
Had a gun hit, and I don't know where it came from.
I did too. I think one hit my pack, but it didn't count. I didn't feel it.
This hit my gun, like hit right on the.
They're all in front of that base. He's moving left.
He's it. Hey guys, we got one guy dead down there. Somebody move closer to him so when they revive, we can kill him. You see orange hat that's put behind the tree?
Yeah, I see him.
To stay spread out, you need to keep the heat on them. So here's what we're doing.
Since we're in a stalemate here, we just got to keep them focused this way.
Yeah. I'm trying to keep them pinned back in that space over there.
Well, the sniper teams are moving up and around.
Okay, yeah, I saw a couple guys walking up there.
That's the plan.
Yeah.
As long as this extreme left here, you need to make sure you keep an eye looking up the ridge line. I got to go down there to the bottom. You got to make sure that they don't flank going into the valley.
All right.
He started bleeding out at 10:33. 10:33.
Hey, when y'all get Brian up? When y'all get Brian up, I got cover. Go.
Oh shit, what happened, bro? Oh, there we go. Y'all do something cool, kids. There we go.
Here, push up, go. Yo, where they at? Yeah, I see him. Yeah. Are you down?
Yeah, I gotta get. No, I'm.
Okay.
I gotta drop my glasses.
When you took off running, already?
Yeah. Here, you want me to put that in here? Just hold on to it.
Come on, y'all get behind the blocker. Go, go, go. Shot, shot. Backfield, bang, bang.
They sit down here. I said, there.
I hit him.
All right, good. Get him up.
Is there somebody up there?
You're down here, all around the bottom row. Here, fall back. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Go. Go. Fall back.
Hey, yo, there's some guys up my way.
Hey, those guys are dead. Move this way. Yep, we got one down in there.
Oh, I'm lighting them up, boy.
Oh, fuck this.
There you go. 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 Binary.
Push up on their position.
Hit. Hit. All right, go. Okay.
Look, you there? Huh? You good? Hey, that one guy's out there. Both them guys are out. One man. Load him up.
Is pyramids? Are you?
Yeah.
Oh no, you're cultist now. You gotta go all the way up to. Okay.
Well, move it down.
Thermal. Thermal. Which team are you on?
I got killed.
The cultist.
I think so.
Yeah,
Yeah, he's cultist.
Here. And make sure everybody knows that you're cultist. Good fucking. Real man. No, that's it. There you go. Yeah, they over there.
Hey, Eugene. Remember you had that issue with the people calling you out on binary last game? Or last time? Somebody on their team was trying to call me on it too.
That's binary.
It's binary. It's completely legal.
Hey, is that dude up there on the right on our team or y'all team?
Am I gonna know?
Well, fuck, I
Where's
don't know.
Ashley?
National Guard.
National Guard.
I don't know where it came from.
Nice fake death.
That was pretty good. He got that on.
I got it on camera.
Nice. Up on the hill. I got one. There's one up there on the hill around the curve.
Hey, little dude, come give me a medic.
All right.
Hey, one of you guys close to him, go revive his ass. Count to 10.
Dude, go. We got it. Go. Hey, move it. You see those blue barrels up there on my right? Blue barrels. One guy move left. They're out that blue barrels up there. I can't get them.
All right, guys. I'm gonna move up and y'all let's pig it. Let's leapfrog.
Hey, I'm gonna go to that black bear.
Hey, there's a guy over here.
Lay down. Lay down. Okay, see ya. Sorry.
Alright, thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll probably have some more footage of Mount Doom coming up here soon. I just got to go back to the vault and find more stuff, but until then, I'll see you all for the next video. Will probably be the car climbing video that I have after Saturday. That's gonna be a fun weekend to go there and test out a new field I've never been to. Alright, until then, I'll see you all soon.